friends, welcome to Physics Pathfinder. In our previous video, we have discussed about moment of force. Moment of force formula also we have derived. Moment of force is equal to force multiplied by perpendicular distance. So that is equal to F into B. Now, already I had told you that if you consider a disc which is pivoted at O, and if the point of application of force is here, then when you apply the force, then the disc starts rotating in this direction, that is clockwise direction. On the other hand, the same disc which is pivoted at O, the point of application of force is here, then the disc starts rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Now, whenever we solve problems on moment of force, we must remember that anti-clockwise moment should be always taken with a positive sign, and clockwise moment should be taken with a negative sign. So, wherever you have two forces acting, one force will make the body to rotate clockwise and another force may make the body to rotate anti-clockwise. In such cases, clockwise moments should be taken with negative sign and anti-clockwise moment should be taken with positive sign. So this is the convention which has to be followed. Now we shall solve two problems on moment of force. I have a simple problem here. A wheel of diameter 2 meter is shown in the figure with axle at O. So this is the axle at O. The diameter of this wheel is 2 meters. So here AB is equal to 2 meter. A force F is equal to 2 Newton is applied at B. So here is a force which is applied at B and the magnitude of force is 2 Newtons in the direction shown. So this is the direction of force. Now what we need to calculate? Calculate the moment of force about the center O and also the point A. Now, always remember, whenever force is applied at any point, the body which is pivoted will have a rotational motion. Here, when you calculate the moment of force, you need to mention whether clockwise moment acts or anti-clockwise moment acts. Now, we shall calculate the moment of force. So, first question, we have to calculate the moment of force at O. Moment of force at O is equal to, now what is the formula? Formula we know it is force into perpendicular distance. Now from here you have to take the perpendicular distance, that is F into OB. Now what is F? F is 2 Newton. Now what is OB? We know that AB is 2 meters, so OB will be equal to 1 meter. Now this is equal to 2 Newton meter. Now force is acting in this direction. So in which direction this wheel will rotate? It will have a clockwise rotation. So the moment of force at O will be 2 Newton meter clockwise. So always don't forget to mention whether the moment of force is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now, second question, we need to calculate the moment of force at K. Now again use the formula, force into perpendicular distance. Here, force into what is the perpendicular distance from A means it is AB. And force is 2 Newton, AB is 2 meter. This is equal to 4 Newton meter. Now again this moment of force also makes the wheel to rotate in clockwise direction only. So the moment of force at A will be equal to 4 Newton meter clockwise. This is the solution for this problem. I have one more problem for you here. The diagram in figure shows two forces. F1 is equal to 5 Newton and F2 is equal to 3 Newton acting at points A and B of a rod pivoted at a point O such that OA is equal to 2 meter and OB is equal to 4 meter. So in this problem we have two forces. Earlier problem we had only one force, but here you see there are two forces of different magnitudes. Now this is a rod which is pivoted, means which is supported at the point O, and at A and B there are two forces acting. At A, one force is acting which is equal to 5 Newton in magnitude, and at B another force of 3 Newtons is acting. Now the distance from O to A is 2 meter and the distance from O to B is 4 meter. Now we need to calculate the moment of force F1 about O, the moment of force F2 about O, and the total moment of the two forces about O. Now solution. For first problem, for first sub question, let us calculate what is the moment of force F1 about O. Moment of force F1 about O is equal to, now what is the force here? Force is F1. What is the perpendicular distance? The perpendicular distance is OA. That is equal to, F1 magnitude is 5 Newton. OA is equal to 2 meter from the figure. Now this will be equal to 10 Newton meter, and this force will produce anti-clockwise moment in the rod. So this is anti-clockwise. 10 Newton meter anti-clockwise. Okay. Now second, moment of force F2 about O is equal to, now in the same way you take F2 into, what is the perpendicular distance? It is OB. Now F2 is 3 Newton multiplied by distance is 4 meter. This will be equal to 12 Newton meter. Now at F2 the body will have clockwise moment. So this will be anti-clockwise moment. This will be clockwise moment. Now third sub question. We need to calculate the total moment of the two forces about O. If you just observe, the moment of force at F1 and the moment of force at F2 are different. Already I have told you what sign convention we have to take. Anti-clockwise moments always take with positive sign and clockwise moments take with negative sign. Now to calculate the total moment about O, we need to take anti-clockwise moment with positive sign, that is plus 10 Newton meter. Clockwise moment with the negative sign, that is minus 12 Newton meter. Now this will come to minus 2 Newton meter. So minus 2 Newton meter is nothing but 2 Newton meter clockwise, because minus sign indicates that the body will have clockwise rotation. So the total moment or the resultant moment acting on this rod will be clockwise moment, and it should be indicated as 2 Newton meter clockwise. This is the solution. In next video we shall discuss about couple and principle of moments. Thank you.